If you're an avid photographer and you take, a good amount of photos, you just simply can't have them all on all of your devices.
I want all of my photographs everywhere. I want access to be able to do all the things that I want to do on any of these devices.
Some photos on this device, some photos on this device. I can't remember which ones I have where, and it's just this big kind of management nightmare. We're trying to make that problem just disappear.
Adobe has a lot of secret sauce that we like to call it, a lot of imaging expertise that they've developed over the years, and we wanted to bring it to the mobile platform and have it be as fast and as wonderful as what you get on the desktop.
When you add a photo to Mesh, first we transfer information about the presence of this photo. So there's a new photo in the system, and then we start transmitting the actual image.
All those photos just are everywhere you want them to be.
It's all magic.
So many of the filters that we have here make your image look so much better. I like the fact that this is all non-destructive editing. That's a big deal for me because I don't necessarily get my shot perfect the first time that I edit it.
If you want the original, you can get to it.
We were working with 25,000 plus images and trying to get a user interface that would work smoothly with that.
What kind of experience do we want to give the end user? And what type of technologies can fit to create that proper experience?
Yen came up with some amazing designs for how it should look that fit neatly with the ideas that we had, but just took it to another level that is so much more attractive.
Trying to keep photo editing simple and yet powerful.
Smoothness and fluidity, animation transitions, making everything really aesthetically pleasing.
You can load up a very high resolution image and you just move the slider for it to feel like you're holding the image right in your hands.
You might have a husband and a wife and a teenager all taking photos, and the thought is that have the ability of them to manage their own sets of photos if they want, but also being able to share them between them and work on them collaboratively.
And I can be constantly streaming those photos into my carousel. My wife, who's subscribed to my carousel, she'll see them, and she'll see them almost the minute I've taken them.
You can create multiple catalogs. You could have one catalog that this is my private stuff that just doesn't go anywhere. Here's stuff that I share with maybe my friends. And here's another catalog that I share with my family.
Those are higher priority. Right? If we do proxies, we're going to do it in one go, and it'll be in the sandbox, and then we'll move it.
Every person that joins the team, it's like jumping onto the hood of a moving car and then just holding on.
And we're all learning this platform together.
But,
Everybody who's on the product is excited about it because they want to use it, and that really helps.
Just having somebody that's there and is in the trenches with you and is a great feeling.
That really makes people excited to come in every day.
Getting the V1 out there, I mean, it really sets the tone for what this product is going to be, and so people get really emotional about that.
We put a lot of work into this, and it solved some problems that we've been trying to solve for a long time, and so I'm excited to see how people react to it.
It really is all of Camera Raw, or the entire develop module that's inside of Lightroom. Not all of it is surfaced in the 1.0 product. We know going forward, we're going to be able to surface more and more and more of that technology.
The pillars of V1 are really a good browsing experience, a good viewing experience, a good editing experience, and a way to share with other people, to collaborate on a photo library. It's actually a lot to get into a V1.
I'm really happy to see the team itself be proud of the work that they've done. We're going to feel proud when we actually get this thing into customers' hands.
People will think of Adobe Revel the same way they think of something like Photoshop. It's been around for years and years and years, and it is a critical part of what they do every day. Maybe we're building something like that.